Over the past few weeks, comments and social media posts by President Trump are suggesting large deportations by ICE officials. But as an undocumented individual, would you know your rights if confronted by ICE agents? Our Mike Jimenez spoke with an immigration attorney and client about some of those concerns.
Don't wait until you're detained by ICE to figure out what, if anything, you can do. No, do it now. Now's the time. You can't wait any longer. This thing about mañana, I mean, you don't have mañana anymore.
As the 4th of July holiday comes to an end, some eyes are on the Trump administration after recent tweets and comments by the president calling for mass deportations by ICE agents.
Go talk to an immigration attorney. Find out what your rights are. Find out whether you have any petitions that can be filed already, any defenses if you're detained.
Immigration attorney Margie Villalobos says the threats have some clients concerned. Clients like this man, who we will call Juan, who has been in the country undocumented for more than 32 years. Like me right now, I have that fear that they will take that action. Well, I have been living here a long time and I've done nothing wrong, just work. Through tears, he adds other undocumented individuals share a similar sentiment. Well, the same as me. Yes, the same, because it's not easy. He adds he would not know what to do if he was deported now that all his family lives in the U.S., including a nephew, David Cuervo, whom he raised as his son. Cuervo paid the ultimate sacrifice during Operation Iraqi Freedom and now lies in rest at Fort Sam Houston in San Antonio. His attorney, Margie Villalobos, says if confronted by ICE, you do have rights.
If they come to your door and you're undocumented, you don't have to answer the door. You know, unless they have a court order signed by a judge, you do not have to answer the door.
Villalobos says if you do get taken into custody, don't panic, but be assertive for your rights.
Speak up and say, I want to see an immigration judge. I'm not signing my voluntary departure. I want to stay here.
In McAllen, I'm Mike Jimenez for KVO Local 23 News.
Attorney Margie Villalobos also adds undocumented individuals should also take precautions by obeying the laws so not to call attention to their undocumented status.